Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we got something really special. We've got our very first sponsor of this video, of this channel in fact, and it's from a new company I haven't heard of before. They sent me out a product to test out, and basically I just want to give my thoughts. I haven't used it yet, I haven't even opened it up yet, and wait, sorry, I wasn't expecting, what? Hello? It's the guys from the company. Yeah? Oh, hi, hey, yeah. No, I haven't. I'm just making the video now. Just send the video. Oh, you sent it to my email. Okay, just run that video. All right. Okay. All right. Bye. Yeah. So apparently this is a must-have accessory for every photographer and videographer. But of course, as always, just before we get into it, get your phone out, give us a follow on Instagram. Hit that subscribe button in the little corner over there, that little photo of myself. Run the tape.
In cinematography and photography, everyone can agree that soft light is the most cinematic of all light. That beautiful gradation from light to dark. Good Lord, that's beautiful. In the old days, you would need a softbox to achieve this most coveted and beautiful of light. However, softboxes are big and cumbersome. You might live in a shoebox and don't have the space to accommodate such an obnoxiously large piece of kit. They're also a right faff to set up and break down. That's why we at Zyka have decided the film and photography industry was due a revolution. Allow us to introduce the Cinepilo. This portable ultra-versatile light modifier will literally make you see photography in a whole different light. With Cinepilo, you literally throw it over the light, and boom, you have soft light. Cinepilo collapses into a minuscule ball and can literally fit in your pocket. It fits over any light source, an LED panel, a speed light, your phone. The options are endless.
Here at Zyka, we are constantly pushing the envelope, taking photography to new heights. Whenever people told us it can't be done, we said, just you wait. Then, in a dream, the idea for the Cinepilo came to me. When developing the Cinepilo, one of the biggest challenges that we faced was with the overheating issue. We found that one side of the Cinepilo often got too warm during use, which is where we developed our revolutionary duo side technology, where we fuse together two sheets of photon, our groundbreaking proprietary material. When one side of the Cinepilo gets too warm, with our duo side technology, you simply turn the Cinepilo over to get to the cool side. Our photon is collapsible for ultra portability. It weighs only 50 grams and is machine washable. Our patented material allows the optimal amount of light to pass through the nano holes in the fabric, maintaining full brightness of the light source and diffusing the light in the most cinematic way possible.
But don't take our word for it. Here are some of Cinepilo's most satisfied customers.
Whoa, this is incredible. I've never seen anything like it in my life before. This is truly amazing. Zyka, they've done it again. It's really quite remarkable, actually. If you are looking for a soft light, it's pretty incredible. Guys, what am I looking at? I love it. It's one of those things that I think every photographer should have. This changes everything. This is something really, this is special. Like, this is amazing. Is this literally a pillowcase? Wow, c'est bon, c'est magnifique, c'est incroyable. You know, if I had this during my day, I think I would have become the greatest street photographer of all time twice. Like it looks like a pillowcase. Wow. Can I get 2 of these? Are you guys serious? You guys are ripping people off. Yo, it's your boy Ribs. And if you're into getting soft light, then go ahead and get yourself one of these. This is amazing. Yo, I know I say hitting the notification bell is the coolest thing to do, but I was wrong. This is definitely the coolest thing to do. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. This is kinda dope. I ain't gonna lie, this is kinda dope. This is fire.
Cinepilo, from the makers of Cinemist. It's just mist and fog. It fits any filter thread and only available in winter. Never forget your Pro Diffusion filter with Cinemist.
I didn't realize Zyka had, approached all those other guys. That's pretty cool. If you want to support the channel in other ways other than picking up your own Cinepilo, I'm pretty sure the Cinepilo is sort of like really limited and it's pretty hard to get. And if they go out of stock before you can get a hold of them, I'm really sorry about that. But there are other ways you can support the channel. I've got a print shop. If you want to support the channel, you can grab yourself a little print for Christmas, for your mum, for your dad. I don't know, whoever. Oh God, that's a little. There we go, looks a bit better. Links for the print shop are in the description. Follow me on Instagram if you have not already at Zain Photo, and hit that little subscribe button if you have not already. And as always, guys, new videos every week. I'm going to try film 2 videos this week just so that I can get them out over the Christmas period. I'm not planning to make any videos, but I hope you guys appreciate a little effort. Keep learning, keep shooting. I'll see you all in the next one. Oh, it's your boy Ribs, and if this it looks like a pillowcase. Wow. Can I get 2 of these? During my day, if I had this during my day, I would have become the best street for. This is definitely the coolest thing to do. By the way, look how cool this light is. This light is pretty impressive. It's just an LED panel, a cheap one, and I've shoved a pillowcase over it just because I couldn't be bothered to set up the softbox, and it's not bad. Not bad.